Hi, my name's Tim Fuge and we're here at the LSA's training centre in Kent to bring you the latest BLM guide to using patination oil. When newly fitted lead is exposed to moisture, it builds up a natural patina in the form of a soluble white lead carbonate. Future exposure to rain will wash the carbonate onto adjacent materials, causing unsightly staining or discoloration. Patination oil is a white spirit-based surface treatment that prevents white carbonate from forming on the surface of newly fitted lead sheet and reduces the risk of staining to adjacent materials. It should be applied to lead roofing, cladding and flashings to give a uniform, attractive appearance where the lead sheet is visible. It is also necessary when water flowing from the lead sheet surface may come into contact with other visible building materials. Ensure the lead is clean, dry and free from cement, dust and loose debris that may affect adhesion. Shake the can vigorously for 2 minutes prior to opening. Apply with a clean soft cloth to all visible surfaces, leading edges, both surfaces in lap joints, the underside of flashings to a depth of 75mm and lead clips, working horizontally or vertically in straight lines. Patination oil should be applied as soon as possible, before the lead is allowed to get wet and by the end of each working day at the latest. Where foot traffic may occur during the fitting of lead sheet, a second coat should be applied on completion of the project when all surrounding work is finished. BLM patination oil is available in ½ litre, 1 litre and 2.5 litre cans. 1 litre should provide approximately 60 square metres of coverage and is recommended by the Lead Sheet Association. For further information or to download a technical or health and safety data sheet, then please visit britishlead.co.uk. If you require further technical advice on the installation of rolled lead sheet, then please visit the Lead Sheet Association at leadsheet.co.uk. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more videos from BLM on YouTube or via the free BLM app available to download from your App Store.